Okay, so today we are going to add a Dolly and Daisy bespoke transfer onto Zoe's pink sweatshirt. So the transfers, these are bespoke transfers we've had made. Hotfix transfers arrive on a carrier, and this is the carrier. So we're going to peel off the carrier, so we're just left with the transfer. And we've got the centre line here, the crease, so we are going to place the design as central as possible. You can measure it with a ruler, but we're just winging it today. And we have the heat press set on 140, and the pressure's quite hard because the fabric's thicker than a t-shirt. And then we put the press down, and for 20 seconds the heat is coming through on the top of the plate down onto the Hotfix transfer film. Here we go, and lift up the press. Fingers crossed. Well, no, we don't have to cross fingers. We know it's going to work. And then we just let the transfer cool down slightly. Okay, give it a little waft, and we'll bring it over. And peel it off, and there you go, Zoe's new Dolly and Daisy sweatshirt.